This video is about putting an outline around some clothing. So I've already used a blue color fill by using the object selection and selecting this outfit. And it does not seem to select the bands of the outfit. So when I move away and I'm with my brush, some of it gets coloured in, but some of it doesn't. The epaulets don't. I'll just undo that. So all this is selected, and I would like an outline around the outside, although I'm not sure what the outline will be at the epaulets. It might miss them out. So over here, we have one layer, and there's this round thing here. And if I click it, I can select anything really. I select hue saturation. Not that I want to work with hue saturation, but I want to cause this layer here that I now select with my mouse. And with that selected, I can click FX and choose stroke, where it's going to do an outside 1 pixel black color outline. But I could make it more pixels by increasing the pixel number there. I'll just go with 1. And the aim is that even if I recolor this a very bright yellow, you'd still have the contrast of the black outline to help it to be visible. This is outside fill. There's also inside fill, which upsets that epaulette there, whereas outside fill doesn't seem to upset the epaulette so much. It did not do an outline around the trousers. It worked on the selection of the jacket, which I made before I created the second layer. Now that I have the outline, I go to the highest up top layer, right click and flatten image. Now I'm ready to save.